Ladies and gentlemen, the HVTO supporters all around the world. This is Sim from Cambodia, and today, February 24th, and I am in Romdeng village, Knapu commune, Prasat Bakong district, Siem Reap, Cambodia. It's about 25 to 30 kilometers from Siem Reap town. And actually, I'm here to visit one of the family who receive the water pump, the hand water pump, donated by our supporter from Rosemere High School. Rosemere High School is in Quebec, Canada. This is to tell you that started with one of our Viking guests becoming or who visited our community, became very interested in clean water projects, and then when they got back home, they been fundraising to support the HVTO clean water project. So from Rosemere High School, we've been receiving the donation and installed so far 77 water pumps. As this year, we receive the donation for another 10 pumps. And this is the sign. This is number 71, and actually it will go to 77 pump. As you have well known that HVTO Clean Water Project is one of the most successful projects among other 13 projects we are operating. So far, up to date, we have installed over 6,000 water pumps for over 6,000 families. Very excited. So we can see. Just wanted to show you how it works. Look at this. Fantastic. Great. So this is the family who just separated from their main family to create their own family, and we hope they will grow and get better from year to year. So in the name of the family and also the HVTO team, I would like to express our profound thanks to the supporters who are teachers, students, children, parents from Rosemere High School who have for having supported us to do this great work for our people. So stay safe and healthy. May God bless you.